Hi, welcome to an amazing day at Bett today. On the stand behind me, we've had so many people come in and see all the new technology. We've looked at the HyperTouch, which is now actually in all of the 3 panels. We've got the built-in IQ unit, the pen ID across it. We'll be able to go from this pen to that pen. I think we had 6 people drawing up the board at one point, all completely independently. That collaboration, that moment was just brilliant. Seeing how teachers and their ideas and their brains spinning of how that physical content is actually being transferred to the digital is just absolutely incredible.
The 6000S is a wonderful new board from Smart. The precision of the tools is absolutely amazing. The pens, you just feel like you're writing with a pen on paper.
Using the ToolSense, we can already see activities that we do physically and paper-based can now be created digitally, number sequences or sequences and patterns. I think that's going to, the possibilities are endless.
I think it's really got a huge home for younger learners, special needs that need to extend that learning. Plus, the other children are going to love it and engage with it too.
To solve problems, to engage, to share ideas is absolutely amazing and truly innovative.
And they're always thinking about how it's going to benefit education rather than just concentrating on the hardware itself. And I think for me that's what makes Smart stand out.
So as we bring Bett to a close, it's great to see all our future-proofing products being shown and being loved by so many teachers and so many educators. You go to smarttech.com for all the information you need.